Hi there people, so my name is Ax and I'm an instant healing hypnotherapist, and in today's video we're going to talk about if you are in no contact with your married ex, what can you do to retain this no contact phase and move on from this particular relationship. So by the end of this particular video you are going to know exactly how I did it, how a lot of my clients did it, and how you can do the same thing to just move on from your married ex and resolve this situation forever. Now, I can totally understand if you are someone who is going through this particular phase where your ex got married and you are left feeling emotionally damaged and you are in a sort of a state where you do not understand if you can even trust someone in a relationship. So if you are someone like that, I want you to understand this. Whatever I'm about to speak is my experience, the way I deal with these situations, and the way I preach my clients on how to deal with these situations. So take whatever resonates with you. If it does not resonate with you, I might not be the person that you must be listening to, because at the end of the day, what I really want is for you to find the right help. And if I am that guy, I'll let you know my secret. Now, first of all, let's understand the three things you shouldn't be doing when you are in a no contact phase with your ex who's married. Number one, do not stalk their social media account. And I know we all have the tendency to go around stalking and seeing what are they up to. The reason why we aren't supposed to do that is because the more we stalk their social media account, it generates a neurological state within our body that is focused on lacking of love or self-esteem or self-worth. And that is something that we do not want, because remember guys, we always attract what we feel inside. So we need to avoid everything that triggers a neurological state that is negative for us or that attracts us towards negative outcomes. So do not stalk their social media account. Now, number two, I know a lot of us are really sentimental beings. So we will hold on to their stuff or the gifts that we might have gotten within a relationship. Do not do that, because these items are of no value to you. The only thing that they are going to subconsciously trigger inside your subconscious mind is that negative neurological state of missing them or feeling that particular lacking in your life, and that's something we do not want. So get rid of their stuff. Number three is do not compare yourself with your ex's new partner. The reason why I say that is because we all have a natural tendency to compare ourselves with who we lost from. But you did not lose from anyone. Trust me, you did not lose. If you start comparing yourself with someone else, remember your subconscious mind has a superpower. Whatever you focus on, it's going to amplify that inside your life. So if you start focusing on comparing yourself with their current partner, your subconscious mind is going to make you feel like shit. So these three things that I just mentioned, you need to cut them out immediately and you need to just stop them right now, because these three things are only going to generate negative neurological state, and that is not going to serve you either in moving on or remaining in no contact. Now, once you quit the three things I just said, now it's time for you to heal. Now let's talk about your subconscious mind. Now the way I tend to address these particular issues is, first of all, we need to understand your subconscious mind map. And the way to do that is we need to understand what kind of feeling is this breakup or this no contact generating inside your subconscious mind. Do you feel that lack of self-worth, self-esteem, self-confidence, self-respect, or sense of identity? Or you feel that lack of self-love, or you feel that lacking in love, or you feel like you are completely alone and you just cannot bear the thought of it? What is it that you are feeling? Now, once you identify what feelings you are feeling inside your subconscious mind, then it's time to understand if this is the first time you have felt this feeling, or you have felt this particular feeling in all of your previous relationship. Because If you have felt this particular feeling in all of your previous relationships, this is a subconscious pattern. This particular situation that you're facing right now, your subconscious mind has certain familiarity with it. And that particular familiarity is the reason that your subconscious mind just keeps attracting you towards relationship, situation, and people that are familiar with this neurological state. So we also have to understand your subconscious timeline. Now, according to your subconscious mind, there is a point when you were born, and then there is a point which is right now. Now, in between this particular subconscious timeline, all the events of your life happen. However, between the ages of 1 to 9, that's when our subconscious mind is developing. And between these ages, whatever our subconscious mind becomes really familiar with is what happens in the entirety of our life. That is when our patterns are developed. So everything starts repeating after that particular age, and you just keep coming across people, places, and situations that mimic that particular feeling that you felt within those ages. And if we can go back into our subconscious mind between the ages of 1 to 9, and you might have heard me say this a lot in a lot of my video because this is really important. If we can go back inside your subconscious mind between the ages of 1 to 9, when you first form that relationship with your parents, because that is the first time when we form a relationship that is with our parents. Now, each of the parents has a different influence on our subconscious mind, so we need to understand what we are currently feeling right now and with regards to which of the parents influence that particular feeling between the ages of 1 to 9. The moment we identify that, when that point of origin was, we can alter your neurological state. And I have done that myself. Now, in my case, when my ex got married, it didn't even take me more than 2 minutes to just move on from her, because all I had to do was identify the point of origin between the ages of 1 to 9 when I got really familiar with that kind of feeling. And once I removed it, the pattern that was recurring in my life just neutralized, and I could no longer be familiar with that kind of feeling, and I never ever attracted that kind of situation into my life. So if my ex is watching, I'm really sorry. It took me 2 minutes to move on from you. Now, how can you find the point of origin? Because once we identify the point of origin, it's game over. Your pattern can be broken. The way I do it with instant healing hypnosis is very simple, because our subconscious mind is incapable of lying. So if it is incapable of lying, whatever we ask our subconscious mind is going to give us an honest answer. So the way we do it, you can do it right now to identify your point of origin. So this particular feeling that you are currently feeling with regards to this whole situation with your ex, I want you to focus on this feeling. Just focus on this feeling, how it's making you feel. Just focus on it. And now, I want you to just close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And I want you to ask your subconscious mind, where is this feeling located inside my body? The first body part that comes to your mind is always the right answer, because your subconscious mind cannot lie. With the tip of your finger, I want you to touch that particular body part and observe what color energy do you see over there. First impression, what color is it? Now, whatever color it is, I want you to ask your subconscious mind another important question to identify the point of origin. When was the first time that you ever felt this feeling in your life? Now, whatever memory comes into your mind, do not change this particular memory. This is the point of origin. This is when you were first introduced to this particular feeling and your subconscious mind became really familiar with it. Now, for those of you who didn't get a picture, that's alright. Your subconscious mind might be masking this particular memory because it feels it might be too traumatic for you to face. You can ask your subconscious mind another question. If this feeling was in form of a picture, how will that picture look like? And let your subconscious mind give you a picture. Now, whatever this particular picture is, this picture holds significant importance for your subconscious mind. The moment we alter this picture, we alter your pattern. So open your eyes and just observe what was that moment about. Now, you have already identified the point of origin. So all that you need to do is, if you have a therapist, go to your therapist, talk about this particular moment. They might use some conventional therapy method to help you resolve this particular memory. And once you resolve this particular memory, your trauma bond or your particular feeling for this particular person will just end. But in my line of work, we do it through instant healing hypnosis. And within instant healing hypnosis, I'll show you how magical that is. Look at what this guy has to say. Now, if you observe, in my 15 days instant healing program, we do this with instant healing hypnosis, and it can be healed in less than 2 minutes. That's how easy it is. So what I tend to do in my 15 days instant healing program is, on the very first day that the clients come to me, I help them remove their father influence trauma or their mother influence trauma between the ages of 1 to 9, and that breaks their pattern, like this guy. And then I also teach them how to heal each and every blockage in their subconscious mind. And in week number 2, I also teach them conversational hypnosis so that they become the most magnetic person in any conversation. And that is the magic of instant healing hypnosis. But it's not everyone's cup of tea. Let me tell you, the way I enroll my clients into my 15 days instant healing program is I offer them a free mini therapy session with me. Within that particular session, I assess their subconscious mind map. What is their desire? What do they want to achieve with this particular program, and how confident are they that they want this program? So the client who got this instant result was someone who was 100% confident that I want this program and this program is what I need. So placebo effect took place easily. My methods were able to give him far more superior results because the client was 100% sure. So even if there is a shred of doubt in your subconscious mind that this program is not for you, I will ask you not to enroll into it. I wouldn't even enroll you into my program. But if you are 100% sure that this is what you need, you can sign up for my free mini therapy session. I'll leave a link into the description box and in the pinned comments, and you guys can just sign up. And if I feel like you are the right fit for my program, I will enroll you into my program. Now, the most important question is, what happens once you remove that point of origin? Two things happen. Number one, you instantly lose the feelings for that particular ex, and it's so easy for you to remain no contact and just move on from them because we change your predominant neurological state and you are no longer familiar with that particular feeling of lacking. So it's all gone. So what do you attract into your life? Healthy relationships that make you feel loved and confident about yourself. However, I'm not going to promote this, but I have to say this. The second thing that usually happens is, once we remove your predominant neurological state, which is not influencing you in the right manner, and we make your predominant neurological state really positive, at times people have been able to manifest their ex back, but I do not want you to manifest your ex back. Who's gone is gone. Just let them be. You deserve much better. Don't sign up for my program thinking this is a get your ex back kind of program. That can happen, but I will not promote it because it depends on your situation. If you were the one who were influencing your trauma into the relationship, only then, once we remove your trauma, your subconscious mind is able to bring them back into your life. But once again, I do not want you to manifest your ex. There is a lot of other great people out in the world and you deserve the best. So in summary, what do you need to do? In summary, what you actually need to do is you need to fix your predominant neurological state that was developed between the ages of 1 to 9. The moment you do that, your entire subconscious timeline just resets. and the pattern is broken, and you have this new predominant neurological state that is as you desire, which means there's a lot of self-love, self-confidence, self-worth, self-esteem, self-respect, empathy, nurturing, and all those traits. And guess what do you attract in your life? Exactly that. So your partner is going to make you feel all of those emotions if you can heal your subconscious mind. So I hope this video helps you guys out in understanding how your subconscious mind works. And if you have something to share, you can comment down and share your experiences. Do hit the like and subscribe button because it helps the channel grow and it shows that you love this particular channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Up until then, stay safe, stay happy, keep healing. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.